back to our vlog. Today, we're doing a super helpful topic for students, especially para sa math class. We're going to explain possible outcomes and probability. So first, ano nga ba ang possible outcome? In math, possible outcomes are all the results that can happen in an experiment. Basically, ito yung mga list na pwedeng mangyari. If can happen, include it. If it can happen, hindi siya counted.
Example number 1, rolling a dice. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Walang 0, walang 7, wala ring letters. Numbers 1 to 6 lang talaga.
Like example, flipping a coin. Possible outcome ay head or tail. Dalawa lang, walang side or edge. Unless may special effect yung coin mo. Imagine, may candy bag ka with red, blue, and green. So the possible outcomes are red, blue, and green. Pag walang yellow sa bag, ibig sabihin, hindi kasama ang yellow sa outcomes. Another simple one, choosing a day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So total of 7 outcomes.
So bakit importante ang possible outcomes? Because ito yung based on probability. Probability is the chance that some will happen and you can get the probability kung walang list ng possible outcome. Example, what's the probability of rolling a4? Total outcomes equal to 6. Favorable is equal to 1. So the probability is 1 over 6.
Para hindi kayo malito, here are some tips. Tip 1, know the experiment. Tip 2, list all the possible results. Tip 3, don't add the impossible results. Tip 4, don't skip the real possible ones. Tip 5, make your list organized para mas clear.
And that is for our vlog today. Sana mas maintindihan niyo pa ang possible outcome. Sa quality is once you get idea. If you want more school topics, comment your request below.